An ESA vendor is a business that families can legally spend school choice money with. Not emotional support animals, education savings accounts, state programs that put public education funds into accounts parents control. 18 states run one. If you tutor, run a microschool, provide therapy, or sell curriculum, this term decides whether their money can reach you. Start with what approved actually means. Your state program has vetted your business and added you to its payable list. That's it. Approval is per state and per program, and it can lapse. The money itself never touches you directly from the state. It flows through a payment rail, ClassWallet, Odyssey, or StepUp for students, depending on the state. Choose your payment path with the vocabulary straight. Direct pay means the program pays you against an invoice the family approves, faster and nobody's out of pocket. Reimbursement means the family pays first and claims it back, slower, with stricter documentation. And an itemized invoice isn't a receipt. It names the student, the dates, the educational subject of each line, and your credential where one's required. Get those 4 terms right, and most of the paperwork pain disappears. Vendor, approved, rail, direct pay, that's the vocabulary of getting paid. The full plain English glossary is free at GetESAPaid.com, along with per-state registration guides and a free compliant invoice generator. Links below.